We had a breakage at the lake in the last video on this thing you would have seen. The cable itself didn't break, but the stub shaft broke where it steps down. So there's a stub shaft like this on these. So it goes 1/4 inch and steps down to 3/16. That's always going to be the weak point in any cable. And since we're running this on 12S, the larger than stock prop, I got to admit as well. I think it was a 5217, definitely more pitch, a little bit more size as well, with all the extra power of the TP motor and the 12S. We snapped it on the second pass, so there's no point replacing it with the same. So we're going to have to go 1/4 inch all the way through. This thing happens on the blackjacks as well when they have the same cable system. It's the same deal. If it's not the cable that breaks, sometimes it's the where's the propeller? The ears off the propeller can break. This part here, they can shear off. So as soon as you start upgrading things, you know, you got to do more than one thing. So I'll get the cable out and I'll replace it with that bigger one. I've already loosened the collet. It'll be a bit hard to get out because you know, she's just about flush there. What have I got? Oh, it's a bit tricky. Just can't get onto it. Yeah. Just try and push it through here, push it back from here, I suppose. It's nice and loose in there. Come on. What I might do is loosen off the collet from there and then push the whole collet back just a little bit. There we go. Still in there pretty good. Okay. Alright. Push that back. Now the problem with this braking is the range of props I'm gonna be limited to with a 1/4 inch hole, 1/4 inch bore. They're all large for, you know, gas boats. Around the 70 mil is a common sort of a size. So we can't run anything like that on this, not on 12S. So before I go cutting the cable, it's not a bad idea to actually see how much room I need on here. So I'll find a prop that I can use and then figure out what I need there and then cut the cable. I'm pretty sure everything I've got is my 2 blades here. Everything's, you know, massive. All your gas size stuff, 75 mil and stuff like that. So I'll go into stock and see. We used to make 5214 in 1/4 inch, especially for situations like this. But I think we don't have any. Let's have a look. Okay, as I suspected, no 5214s in stock. We are getting some made, but that doesn't help me today. So the smallest I've got with the 1/4 inch bore is a 5514. This is a bronze one. They're a nice prop. Yeah, so I ran 5514 before it broke, and it made the motor pretty hot, like too hot. It was like 60 degrees. Everything else was cold as. Everything else was in the 20s. Surprisingly cold, but the motor was too hot. So if I run a 55 on 12S, the same thing's going to happen. The motor's going to be like 60 degrees. Batteries go flat quick. I don't like that. So since this is my only size prop I can run, I'll run it on 10S I'll charge a 4 and a 6S pack up, and we'll see what that's like. I know the temperature will be okay on that. Yeah, I don't really have any options, so the only other way to do it is go a lower kV motor. If I wanted to stick to 12S, that would suit this, but no, I'll just go to 10S today and see what kind of speed that produces. Alright, there you have it. Got a nice gap there for my shrinkage of the cable. Not that there'll be much, but it's more than enough. Okay, so I'll just wait for my 10S's of batteries to be charged. We'll go and see what it does. Alright, 5514 with 10S. So you're going to drive it, Brock? Yep, I'll just film. So the other day we did 96 k's an hour with 5217 12S. Let's see what this does. Less voltage, bit more prop diameter.
Doesn't feel like it's any less weight.
It's still heavy. Let's see that spray. give it a couple more. So for those that don't know, the motor is a 4070 TP, 880 kV, and a ZTW 300 amp G2 speed controller. 5514 CNC prop, 1/4 inch cable. Just do one more lap and bring her in. Oh, we said one more lap and it didn't even break down.
Hang on, it's not back yet. Remember last time?
That's true. Oh yes. Are you kidding me?
I'm joking, yeah.
Hey, you are teasing me.
I wish I was.
Oh,
Crunchy
can
noises.
hear the crunchy.
Very forbidden.
Alright.
Okay, we'll go get the other one. This time we have a battery today, so that's better.
But have we got charge in the battery? One more lap might have killed it. It might have been cooking in there. Why did you do that extra lap, Brock? Why'd you do the one more lap? Didn't I say don't do one more lap? I thought that's what I said. I'm sure that's what I said. You reckon you can get this in?
Probably not.
At least we know that boat hasn't leaked any water, because the other day it was in there for 20 minutes
Yeah,
on its side like that. And hardly anything came in.
Whoa!
There's all sticks and stuff down there.
No, there's something fell out of the tree right next to me.
Ah, something underneath that bird's. Yes. I think I know what you mean. That's it, drop the controller in the water. Pretty sure we left our temp gun here the other day, so the lake's claimed another
Smells very
some more
not
money
nice.
off of me. Smells hot, does it?
Yeah, if you could have smell-o-vision right now, it would smell like you microwave some plastic or something. Or chucked it in a fire.
Whoa!
Yeah, it stinks.
It's not the batteries. They're not warm at all. Well, barely warm.
I don't know what.
Speed controller, nothing. But the motor, I'm not going to touch that.
Wouldn't touch it.
It's
I
hot, isn't
wouldn't
it?
recommend it. I didn't actually put my finger on the cooler and the cooler was hot.
Yeah.
You're touching it like you said you didn't.
It's too hot to touch.
It's way too hot.
So we know 5514 is too much.
Interesting. See why it's not going.
Ah,
The wire has
Ah.
removed itself. Did the self-delete.
it did, didn't it?
That's why it was making the noise, obviously. The motor might be okay.
Yeah, the motor might be okay. She's just hot.
But yeah, it's not cold. Oh, see
So-
the speed while we're here.
Put the 55, well, I'll put the 8mm terminals on there. And I did mention that when I put that in the other day, but I was too lazy to change the terminals. But it could have saved the motor too.
Alright, well, the cheap one is saying 99. I'll pull them out.
Woohoo!
And the good one is saying 99, so I think we can trust this cheap one. 99 kph, it's easy to read on this.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright. So as a recap, 52, 17, 12S did 96.
6, yep.
Don't know
come
the
up
temperatures
with
because
that,
we
yeah.
broke the shaft. And yeah, so we got 99.
Yep.
Okay.
We've done
And we're going to say
90.
we'll solder that
I
up and
think.
there'll be no damage done.
I think we've done 92 on 8S as well. I can't remember what the prop was.
No,
But yeah.
that was a
doing
different
90
motor too, wasn't it?
Different motor,
Yeah,
so
so it's a bit hard.
full different lot of variables, but yeah, I'll just go and enjoy it.
Yeah. Smells so nice in there.
Oh yeah. Can you get me an air freshener for my car? So every day on the way to work I get to smell that?
Yeah, imagine
That'd be
the RC Boat Bitz air freshener smell.
Oh,
Yeah,
well.
right. Okay.
It's fast though.
Yeah, that was quick.
That's all awesome.
99 k's an hour.
want to give you just that last one, did it?
No. Yeah, just one more.
Bitz.
Oh.